Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on. Yeah, welcome to the channel, viewers and subscribers. Jaden Chase bringing you the latest in a dancehall and entertainment. A reminder of to click the subscribe icon, like and comment. Now, viewers and subscribers, the latest track from Nicki Minaj titled Megatron. I don't know if you don't see it, but it was definitely influenced by dancehall music. Big up Nicki. Always incorporate a little dancehall and a little reggae in our projects, then for even something what you say or the way the beat sound. Now, if you don't miss it, viewers and subscribers, the rhythm was directly influenced by Buccaneer. Big up Buccaneer, big dancehall star, big dancehall influencer. Now the track is a track titled Take It Easy. I know enough people remember it. If you don't remember it, the chorus very catchy. So that's one of the things they make. You know, it did easy for crossover and it was so memorable. You know, the memories of most people that listen dancehall at that time. One of the most famous lines is take it easy, the something cheesy. Take your time, it's so.
A girl a try to take your space, but just tell her say take it easy, cheesy. But she want come grip on for your man, but tell her take your time.
Shots, I'm drinking. It's better when I'm drinking. I tune up when I'm drinking.
And subscribers, yeah, big track. I think a Green Sleeves the response for that track at that point in time. And another new track here from Nicki Minaj, viewers and subscribers, that was definitely a big influencer for the people who want to make the beat. And if you listen to the style of music and the lyrical composition where Nicki talk about, you can see say the track, the Buccaneer track itself, she know it. Know what I mean? Yeah, she not use none of the words them per se, but just the direction where she go with the music or with the track. Seem fitting, seeing that it was influenced by that Buccaneer song, the viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel. Now we can't stress this enough. The latest track, so we see Vybz Kartel are put out, viewers and subscribers. It's just like what you see many years in the future, and them Buccaneer song they still hot in a dancehall. That's how Vybz Kartel are put out right now in the game, viewers and subscribers. Some type of music where it a go hot right now, yes, but it's still a go hot 4 or 5 years from now. That's the aim. When they put out good music, you know, it a go have the buzz while they drop it, because remember it's a new track and it a get that push there and the promotion there. But big music live on. Big musical productions live on, meaning say it at the area and still at next year and the next couple years after. Hence with the track I'm just a talk about from Buccaneer. And many of these dancehall artists will have them track to them name, artists of Vybz Kartel know and know them story, viewers and subscribers. Remember, as an artist, a studio will link up, a studio will par. So, you know what I mean? Studio reasoning, man get to know certain inside to what go on certain type of tracks. And then you can watch the music scene, you can watch the marketplace, you can see what go on with the music, them and the type of song them we live on. Certain words, certain pronunciation, as I point out in our vlog before. It, viewers, it are the thing that really makes certain things stand out. And definitely the beat, the type of rhythm. That's why if you notice certain style of rhythm where Vybz Kartel choose to allow them to put a track from him pan, it always have a different type of sound. It not sound like a regular rhythm, because the artist not depend that right now, viewers and subscribers. And just a regular thing where, remember, Vybz Kartel is an artist like this. The fact him so creative, we know him to flood the airwaves with music. Remember a point in time when I hear at least 5 Vybz Kartel songs a day. And I never know normal. At least 5. Me I tell you, maybe under hear 3, but them time we the privilege enough to hear all 5. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, very strategic. You have a line that stand out in my mind right now as me I talk to him. From one of Vybz Kartel's latest track. And not just something I'm saying, but the facts them say, yo, the rum are talking at me. Let me tell you. Listen that. It's not the accent or the slang itself. Remember the English variation is let me tell you. But let me tell you, is the way overseas persons would have pronounced that statement there. They wouldn't just say, depending upon where you're from to. They wouldn't just say, let me tell you. They must say, let me tell you. So, simple as you see it, viewers and subscribers, the small little sayings and the little pronunciations, them go a far away. Loving every minute. I gotta be one of them track that overseas fans I gotta definitely gravitate to. Them I gotta like the energy. When the production drop, when the album drop, remember it's not a mixtape, it's not an EP, it's a full album. And last time him drop an album, we see the promotion and the reviews that get. You know what I mean? So it's a good look. And for hear Nicki, as I say, I definitely big up Miss Minaj. Every time I hear she drop a track, I look forward to hearing it. To hear what she say. Or she do her thing. Her style of delivery, very unique to rap and hip hop. And obviously influenced by dancehall. That's why for most Jamaicans, Nicki Minaj songs them readily become big hits on the island, especially in the Caribbean. You don't know dancehall and soca, the two big thing them in the Caribbean. So anytime we hear a Nicki Minaj track, she always have some form of slang, just like how I tell you say Vybz Kartel incorporate Wolipa, American slangs on the track them. And if him not just start do it, a long time teacher did this. Remember from baseball cap and jersey days, we know say teacher listen to Wolipa hip hop. You know what I mean? Yeah. Remember said teacher have a track where even that submit for the Triple X movie. No people know that. Yeah. I don't care who you be X. When you see you see danger with a Triple X. We'll never notice that. We know enough people never know. So that track there from Vybz Kartel was a track that was submitted to be one of the soundtracks featured upon the Triple X movie. You know what I mean? Fresh from prison, a brand new king has risen, colder than cubes of ice. Yeah, Ice Cube. You know what I mean? Teacher definitely had that for a long time. He not just start do it. And nothing new. It might never that obvious to your eyes. But for people like we, who they in the music scene, you know what I mean? It's obvious for we. Plus we're privileged to know certain beside the scenes things. You know what I mean? So we know say, that it go on and that's why that take place. And that's why I'm say that. And that's why I'm pronounce that the way I'm pronounce that. You know what I mean? Yeah. So it's a good look for music. And as I say, Nicki Minaj, always an artist. Recently we should drop 2 tracks. One titled Chung Lee and one titled Barbie Things. Yeah, Barbie Things. You know what I mean? Just even the song title. Look where I say, big up Nicki. You know what I mean? Always a show. And she not shy at the fact that her flow and her sound is dancehall influence. You know what I mean? Some people point to the fact that in the early stages of her career, she'd heavily associated with Safari. And as you know, Safari is a second generation yardie, means them have Jamaican parents. You know what I mean? So, yeah, them man they heavily influenced by dancehall himself. The man in a ramp forward a yard. As a matter of fact, recently the G posted and said, he might look for an estate for purchase on the island. You know what I mean? So he can have a home on him home island. You know what I mean? You know there's something go. And yeah, if you listen to me say keenly, not a mansion, you know what I mean? Not a galshan, no matter how you want to say it. An estate. Yes, so many of the young acres, hectares, as the white people would have say. Get me as a viewers and subscribers. So yeah, people point to the fact say, Shan Safari them did it. So maybe that's one of the reasons why she's heavily influenced by dancehall. But me wouldn't say that. Me that say she definitely have a love for dancehall within self because she not run Safari no more. But she still infuse her song with a dancehall something there. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's a girl in around for say big up Beanie, Bounty them, Vybz Kartel them. You know what I mean? Mouth them. You know what I mean? So, we definitely see the energy of dancehall overseas. We know the dancehall big in the Caribbean and right across the diaspora. But it's always a good look or a breath of fresh air when we see how overseas people react to the sound. You know what I mean? We know so when Nicki Minaj put out no form of production, it's a big production. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's label certified, meaning it's backed by a record label. You know? And if you don't know about record labels, if you make a track and submit it to them and then don't feel like it's going to sell, them can tell you, say, no, them a shelf this. Some people don't even know that about having a record deal. You might make music that the record label feel like is not good for your brand or your image, and them track there will never get pushed out unless you leak it. Now Megatron is just a leak track because the music video make feed. She could have leak it and make her own music video with her own money, but we don't hear about that. So this is backed by a label. So the label them acknowledge that the dancehall sound and the dancehall vibe will work, viewers and subscribers. So look out for more big things from the hip hop side of Wagwan and the dancehall side. Me I look forward to see the connection. I tell you, say me I wait for that big feature there with Russian Vybz Kartel and a big rapper. I can't go no who we are here say at the rap star that will be featured upon the track it because of multiple tracks. Russian have some track from teacher when nobody never hear it. You know what I mean? Yeah, and them still sound fresh. That's the thing to your teacher, definitely a visionary. Cause man have some tracks, some verses record all now. Or 8, and them still fresh, you know. Normal. Yo, drop in the comment section now, viewers and subscribers. I'm gonna know how to feel about the whole reasoning. You know what I mean? Click the subscribe icon and click the bell icon and say stay notified with all our one. Remember to comment and leave a like on the vlog for me like where you hear. But share until the reason again, viewers, I'm out.